Hi, I'm Beckie Belote from Newport News, Virginia, and today I want to show you a technique based on an old technique, one that we've been using for a couple of years called the fold-over page. Okay, so these fold-over pages became very popular. Why? Because you fold over paper. It's really easy. There's no cutting, there's no measuring. But also because sometimes you get a piece of paper and you love both sides and you can't decide on which side to use. This allows us to showcase both sides. All right. So if you haven't seen a fold over page before, let me give you an idea of what it was we've been doing. So this one is using the baseball theme pack, and you can see the beautiful baseball print in the back. But what I did to that print is I folded it back, creased it, and put adhesive on the back so that now you can see the striped pattern on the other side too. All right, another fold over page that we've been doing is like this one. This is using the playtime. All right, on this one, the beautiful raindrop print shows up, but then I can fold back to reveal the rainbow stripe on the other side. And I just added a little sticker here to add some embellishment. No cutting, no measuring, simple Simon, right? All right, so this will work with any border. We're going to add a border now to make this a little bit higher tech. It'll look even better, but yet really simple, no measuring anything. So you could use a border that you've already made to do this. Maybe you made in a border class or whatever. We have plenty of these laser stickers in different packs, like the Winterberry, like the new Family Memories. So lots of borders already made if you want to do that. But today I'm going to make my own first. That's the only cutting that we're going to be doing today, is to make this border, okay? So I'm going to use the lace trim border punch. This will work with any of our border punches though. So I'm going to lower it down so that you can see. And I am going to quickly do this. Hopefully you know how to use the border punch. There's probably a video on the website. If you don't, I'll do it really fast for you. All right, so after you've made your border, you can leave it just the way it is, or you could cut it off. I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to make it level with the ledge, and that way if I want to do a matching facing page, it'll be easy for me to remember where I line the next one up with. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this on my base cardstock that I want to use. I'm going to use repositionable. By the way, this is the Shine Bright paper pack, where I've actually used the other side of the insert to make this border, since that is a total usable, safe piece of paper in our packaging. All right, so now I've done that. Actually, I don't want to do it that direction. I'm going to do it the other side. And because I used repositionable tape, that was not a problem. So now I'm going to line up the pretty edge at the top so this is a flat edge. All right, now I'm going to grab a piece of paper from my Shine Bright paper pack. I really want to use this orange one with the polka dots. And I like both sides, but I think I'm going to go for the side with the most contrast facing up. So what you're going to do is just put adhesive along the top here. And I'm going to put it right up flush to that border. That way I know it's nice and straight. Then what I'm going to do is flip it over. I'm going to put, I'm going to fold it. Then I'm going to fold it back. All right. Now what I'm going to do is put a little bit of adhesive underneath here. And then I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive on the blue. And voila, a completed page. If you want to add a little bit more pizzazz in the bright, Shine Bright theme pack, we also have sticker strips. And I'm going to go ahead and add a sticker to this to give this an even more pizzazzy look. You could do it here at the top. You could also do one down at the bottom if you want. Could put it right there or on the edge. I think I'm going to put it here this time, and that way I have more room to work. All right. Do you love it? Very simple, huh? So some other examples that I did this one with the magic in the roller coaster. I did this one with spring medley, with the Baroque. And here is another spring medley where I folded it sideways with the same technique, and I used one of the laser borders. All right, I hope you like these ideas, and I hope you'll go try them. Thanks for watching, and bye.